Helo. O, dwi'n dywyll. Isel. Helo. Lot o bethau di newid. Heddiw, dwi'n defnyddio Chatterino, fatha top Twitch streamer. Pobl dweud fi efo Chatterino well na Twitch chat. So, efo. Dwi'n newid sylw coeda fi'n gam. Dwi'n dall yna. So, helo. Helo. Dwi'n lyfio DnD, basically. I love it na. Dwi'n rhoi i chwarae DnD. Dwi'n bod yn DnD... Be di'r term? O'n i'n dweud hynna'r stream rwy'n. Dwi'n DnD curious. I've been D&D curious for the past 20 years, and yeah, it's time to get the time to. It's one of us. Sgyn fi ddim ffrindiau yn y gogledd sy'n fewn i D&D, so apparently Baldur's Gate. Ydw i wedi chwarae Baldur's Gate 1? Na ddo. Ydw i wedi chwarae Baldur's Gate 2? Na ddo. Ydw i chwarae Baldur's Gate 3? Yndw. Pam? Peer pressure. To it. Dwi wedi cychwyn. Na, dwi'n gwybod hynna. Ond, it's more... Mae mwy ar gyfer fatha... Ffwc ti'n fawr ti'n jump ar y bandwagon yma. So... Ond... Dwi wedi chwarae... Faint dwi wedi chwarae? Mae'r thing Twitch integration ymlaen gyda fi. Dwi'n gwybod beth uffar ydy hynna. Bydd ticked on. Ydw i'n gorau ni rhywbeth arall, dwi'n gwybod. So... Bydd i'n ddangos i chi. Efo Band of Mary Fellows fi. I am hobo. Half elven rogue. So... Dwi'n niw i cael carlach yma. Dwi'n joio carlach, cos mae'n hegi. Gael. Mae'n boi iawn. Dwi'n meddwl o'n boi iawn. Shadowheart. Dwi'n meddwl trystio ei, ond... She's in the gang. Dwi wedi unlockio hefyd. Ie, hon o'n i oedd fighter fi. Hon oedd fighter fi. Ond... Speak. Da ni ddim yn met. So gyda fi scar yma. Scar gyda fi yma. Dwi'n lycio hon. Bitch. Ond dwi'n safu ddo. A... Dwi ddim yn licio'r boi yma. Mae gennym fi... Rheswm specific pan dwi'n licio y boi yma.
The blade of frontiers at your calling.
Y boi yna yn atgoffa fi o cymeriad gweitha Cyberpunk. Un o pobl tyllu missions o'n Cyberpunk, Undercover Cop.
My father once said,
Dwi'n edrych union fatha fo, a dwi'n rili ddim yn cymeriad yna Cyberpunk.
one merely answers its call. So it was for me. I was hunting near the Cloakwood when I heard it.
I don't
remember much of the battle.
Don't care about you.
But I remember drying the boy's tears after. Proud, angry at the frontiers demanded a...
Dwi'n poeni yn mynd chdi. Iawn. Gael. Mae Gael eisiau dwy'n stwp. Pam dwi'n gorau magic i... Ie. So... Un beth sy'n fucking annoying, da. Ydy... Pam dwi'n mynd i inventory y pobl dwi ddim efo. Yna'n fucking annoying. Anyway. Dwi'n bell. So dwi wedi newid goff, dwi wedi lladd fama. Hein. Fi nath hyn. This is all me. But dwi eisiau mynd i'r goblin. Lle dwi'n mynd, rwan? Lle dwi'n plan yn mynd? Fa ma dwi eisiau mynd. Onwards. Let's go. Onwards. Dwi'n dechrau dod i arfer efo'r Ti'n angen allu'n stryglo hefyd. Ydw i jyst angen codi ffwt o veg bob tro? Dyna beth dwi'n angen neud. Ffwt o veg di fatha.
Something tore right through these people. They didn't stand a chance.
Cabbage. So, ffordd dwi wedi dysgu di.
What path lies before me?
Sy'n ddim wyl fi? Dwi'n cweit i cael y hang o cwffio. Be ti'n mynd?
God, miss being in open view. Open up.
Dwi'n mycyn.
At the ready.
Okay. Os dwi'n ffocin... os dwi'n mynd i neud hwn!
Whatever you do, don't go and get your friends.
Action, un action. Un gyda'n actions. Not enough resources. Da fel a dwi'n mynd. Oh my god. Okay, dwi wedi ffwcio fydd e. Na.
Need to act fast. Let's do this.
What? Yes! Push it. Oh my god, be fucking in. What? At y gyma, dwi bach yn... Ddim yn gwybod be i neud. Ah! What? Okay.
This.
Slight cackle yn audio fi to audio'r game.
Mine is the advantage.
Can't give up. Not now. Take you.
Yeah. Oh, it's been done. Oh my god. Stop it in there! Okay, gonna be good idea. Ah, paid â dasio! Paid â dasio! Ugh. Fucking soul numbed. Oh, fuck. Be dwi dwi'n neud wan?
Recite their demise. Step to it.
Ah!
We've saved me.
Oh, mae o'n meddwl bod to gyda fi!
I don't fancy their chances.
Oh my god! Dwi'n reit awful efo positioning fi. Fel ydych chi'n gweld.
With haste.
Oh, it's fucking...
Hells. I need to hold on.
Ie, dwi'n... O'n i'm yn gwybod hwn yn ffeit. Dwi yn... Fuck, dwi'n mynd o. Be? Don't judge me. Don't judge me. Be dwi'n stryglo fe di, cychwyn ffeit. Ta'r rei pobl yn llefydd iawn, a mae'n just mynd to shit straight away. Ydy Gael yn shit, a just fi sy'n chwarae fan shit.
Something good here, I hope. if the gods are watching me.
God, don't watch it, mate.
What's inside?
Na, just adeg yna, o'n i'n cael stream fight. Ooh, no. Arrow of Ice. So fan ma, wan.
I'll take that. Something tore right through these people. They didn't stand a chance.
O, iawn, oce. Iawn, sut dwi'n approachio hyn, fam? Come on, let's go hwnna. Ydw i yn... Cos ydw i gael split yn y fyny fel la? Ie?
No one stopped me yet.
Cos dwi'n rogue, dwi isio rogue i things, oes?
Cautious. Time to press ahead.
O fama, eitha just... Ta dwi well off fyny fama. Na i cyddiad y fyna. Ie. So point i gael gel. Ydy well off yn cael tynnu gel allan?
Adventure awaits.
Gel, cyddiad y...
Sightly.
Oh shit! Ah!
Beast reeks
Oh.
of brimstone and offal. Every breath is thick with blood.
Low level.
You hear what comes next before you see it. The sharp snapping of bones and a yelp of pain as her body starts to twist and undulate. You watch with cold realization. This isn't the end, Knowles. Vicious, monstrous humanoids can spawn from the corpses of dying hyenas.
Ta thing ar y stream wan, dwi fod i cael Twitch integration. Yes, dwi'n gwybod os ydi wneud y thing. Twitch integration. Hey, diolch yn fawr, dangos.
One hash streamer Cymraeg Imri strip.
Ydy o yn... Ydyn Twitch extensions wedyn? Twitch? Extensions. Okay, iawn. Mae hynna yn neud sens. Os na beth gwaith. Na fo. Add to my channel. Activate. Okay. Done. Na fel e. Back to Twitch. Yay. Dwi'n gwybod be dwi'n cofio. Ond, mae yna, ne? O, da chi'n gallu gweld o. So, beth dwi wedi weld o fama wan? Sbia? Oce. Fel a. Dwi am melee attack. O. Okay. Dwi'n 100% mynd i gael. Anyways.
Against her skull. She yelps, then goes still. As the life fades from her eyes, the knoll within her dies too, stillborn.
O, beth ydy hynna? O, mae o'n nôl rest o'r gang, yndi. Dwi'n cuddiad.
I don't need any attention right now.
Dwi'n bod yn gallu gweld fi fan o wanda.
That hyena will be back, and it won't be alone.
Gris. Dwi eisiau sortio un allan. O, mae un yn bell i ffwr. Witch Bolt. Ah, si was yna do. Enter. Dos i nôl, met chdi. Gols dwi'n poeni. Pan di hyn yn y ffeit?
What's the story?
Dwi'n cael dod yn nwy fe man do.
What next?
All right, time to skulk away.
Iawn, so fyna. Sut dwi'n gwybod faint o spells gyda fi? Ydw i'n iawn i feddwl fod spells yn rhedeg allan, di? Oh my god! Cuddio.
Everyone else minds their business.
Right. Jump.
Concentrate. Heading there.
Ydw i'n gallu pwysio hwnna fan, fanna? Fela. Yndw? O, pa... Ond os o'n disgyn...
Bucket of wits.
Go on, gia. Double teamio fo. Wal, hyd tal. Pa wal? That's it to me.
Just out of view.
O, alla. Iawn, oce. Mae'n llinell glas yn dangos y traject... O, oce, champion. Map, dwi'n cweith di. Stop chdi... So hyn yn well na llei. Na? So, ja. Too heavy. Ah, not enough. What? Beth fel la, dwi'n mynd allu.
To let up.
Was yn isel
Take two.
Dwi'n mynd quite sure o dda faint o uses mae bod dim efo. Yeah? What? Pam dwi'n methu atacio hwnna? Pam mae'n dod disadvantage? Fuck it. Dim yn clywed beth eisiau fyna, de?
Time to press ahead.
O, dwi'n sôn yma! Dwi'n bonus action ac yn moment turn. Mae faint o moments... Oce. Ond dwi'n gwybod dwi yn thief rogue. Dwi'n cael 2 bonus action.
There's a friendly looking shadow.
Ei, sy'n... Pam o'ch chdi gan hynna? Ein, dwi'n yn siŵr o. Okay, and turn. Dwi'n hynna. Okay. Mae'n so, y standard ydy un attack action yn bonus action, fydd cael yn cael mwy pan mae'n lefel digon uchel. Oce. Disadvantage. Disadvantage ar bow and arrow, cos oedd ti'n bod agos. Oce. Io, mae'n ei sens. O ffocin gêm yn bollocks, ia. Tickle. Run away! Oh my god!
Don't want to draw any attention.
Yes! Okay. Nah, ah, shit, dim i fi yn siŵr. Di wizards ddim yn gret o level, maen nhw'n mynd i... Oce. So, ydw i... That's pretty sucks. Gad i fi... Run away.
Can't give up. Have to keep going.
Oh shit, siang o fi hwnna!
This calls for careful footwork.
O, taflid, ie? So, allai... Throw.
All right then.
Fel la.
Softer than a whisper.
Oh, fucking hell, gal! Whoa! Let's see if the metal.
Need to stay focused.
Ian. Sbio fi'n DnD o fe yma. Ah, don't be... What? Be...
Come on. Can't stay idle.
Fucking tit.
What path lies before me?
Craving frost.
Dwi 'di gallu teimlo nhw! Be fuck?
Better be cautious. Breathe quiet. With care.
Very well.
Gyd yn fawr o! Ynddo, dwi efo revive. Dyn nhw'n dead? Be nes i wrong o fyna? Be nes i wrong o fyna? Ydw i yn... Don't judge. Don't judge. Dwi'n mynd i neud y bit eto. Dwi'n mynd i neud y bit eto. O, dwi di cael rhyw zombie guy yn y dungeon gynta. Mae o'n gallu... Ie. Yo. Back to camp. Pwy dwi eisiau'n squad fi? Ydw i'n just dweud fuck off I Gael? Ydw I angen Gael? Iawn.
Go ahead. I'm listening.
Withers. Ynddi, Withers di'r boi zombie efo fucking metal thing, ie? Dwi di siarad efo fo.
I question the wisdom of that
Taw,
decision.
Gael.
So be it.
Oeddech chdi yn fucking atrocious. Oeddech chdi yn fucking waste of space.
I'll be here.
Okay? Don't want to hear it. Iawn, ydw I angen... Wyll. Ta Lerzel. Pa un? A mae'r counter yma. Iawn, okay. Dwi'n licio iddo. Mae'n snarky ac yn disrespectful.
Speak.
Tit. Come on, you're up.
It is done.
It is done.
Assume nothing.
Ydy och pa? Pa tu. Dwi wedi reid hwnna. Caps gonna... Heavy armor. Sneb yn gwisgo heavy armor nag ys. Yn reid tan... O iawn, oce. Ydw I yn well off ddim yn ffordd na ta? Hynna di'r vibe dwi'n cael gynnech chi wan.
God bless.
Ideal.
Gael I bin.
Chwo King Kong Swordong. Dim Gael, ie? Dim Gael.
Looking ahead. With haste.
So. Da ni wedi derbyn fe fyna yn... Death, ie? Bai ffordd ma. Dwi'n mynd i bod ffordd ma tyna do. Dwi'n mynd sy'n hoffi siarad. So, ydy o'n bosib? Os i'n rhy low level, mae'n pointless, yndi? Dwi'n disgwyl alt trick, de, ti'n fe? Whoa, man. So, ydw I o'r llaff yn jumpio yma? Ydw I angen jumpio? Be dwi? Dyma'n lefel fi. Beth ti fe 9 gold? Pan gynnych chi 9 gold? Dwi'n gweld... Lefel fi. Level 3. 3. Okay, lle eisiau bach yn cocio na ta.
What to do? These boots have seen everything.
These boots are made for walk. These days, these boots are gonna walk on. Dwi'n bod ffawr yn barod. Ww, sy'n fyny fe yma. Sy'n fyny fe yna? Top tip arall, os ti'n defnyddio gris, ti'n gallu rhoi ar dan. Ideal. Dwi'n meddwl yr unig person yn gallu rhoi stwff ar dan oedd...
Flowers, leaves, grass. Can't beat it.
O na, mae Shadow, beth yna ni?
I'm more used to feeling
Shadow Heart.
grass and fallen leaves.
A dead boar. But it doesn't look like it's been touched by scavengers.
Dwi wedi tynnu'r cig yn sbio yna fo. Yndi, dwi'n meddwl gen Shadow Heart fire thing. Yes!
The carcass seems to be fresh, only a few hours dead. You notice 2 small puncture wounds in its neck. Looking closer, you can see the skin around its face is desiccated. It's been completely
Vam
drained of
Ignis.
blood.
Ai Ignis ydy'r...
Wish I had a bag of holding.
Awful fucking... Good mochyn. Good dead mochyn.
Dead
You can take a day off once in a while, Gazelle.
O! Fi jyst fod yn bitch o fi bod tro dwi'n yn gofyn hi beth i think hwnna sgynni. Skull of Thunderwing. Single use. Ydy rhywun iwsio hwnna? Stuff yna. Iawn, beth dwi wedi gwneud yma mwan? Dwi wedi allan hyn, do. Fi. Drawn in thick charcoal lines upon an animal skin. This childlike water is 3 stick figures. Goblin with sparks in its hands, square, human figure, seems to be an elf. Each of them is wearing a simple crown. Yeah. Dyna. Ideal. Ideal. Hein. Dwi'n cael hein, nid dwi'n gwybod be oedd hein. O, dwi'n dall hein yn barod. Dwi'n rhaid hein i... Gael, ynddo. O, bod fel oedd y bwt. Be dwi'n gwybod sy'n saff i werthu, beth sydd ddim yn saff i werthu? Fishing rod. Ydw i angen fishing rod? Ydy be dwi'n neud efo yma yn iawn? Ta ydw i bod yn... stupid? Dwi'n misio hynna, guys. Back. Ti efo... Anyway, os di heb border lliwgar, ti'n ffain i werthu. Ideal. Iawn, geith. Y ddynas mae dwi'n licio car o stwff i fi werthu. One i... Okay. Ooh. Bwyd, send to camp, ie? Send to camp, dwi eisiau bwyd, ie. Take my shit. O, gwybod hwnna. Di shield hon. +2. Iawn, gallu gael shield. Y ffordd i fi... So ddim auto. O, control, diolch yn fawr. Os oedd thing i fi auto tacluso yma, ta nag oes? Okay. Ar y top chwith. Oh! Oh my god, yeah. Oes? Top chwith. Ah! Ideal, diolch yn fawr. Okay, there we go. Save. Sy'n rhywun DnD o yma? Ydy'r ogof yna'n saff? Dwi'n gweld beth sy'n fe yma gyntaf.
No traps, please. Something's waiting up ahead.
Moonhaven.
Moonhaven. I'm in Moonhaven.
Here goes nothing.
Get over there! Surround them like! You spotted us. Good. It's like they say. No fun in skewing a pig what doesn't know he's cooked.
Yes. Yeah.
That's supposed to be a threat.
Yes. It's what I mean.
Got a set on you, all right. Almost makes me like you. Almost. I'm gonna enjoy pulling off your skin when we're done.
Oh my god.
All right, time to skulk him out.
Fel Ze fucking nu cyrraedd hynna. Beth dwi'n neud? Ach wel. Oké, nou her en chdi. Nee, hynna.
Silence.
Ah, dwi wastad yna da. Dwi'n gallu mynd ffordd ma. Oh my god, stress. Dydw i? Hello?
Incoming.
Yeah. Come on.
You must still have your ears to my collection.
What the fuck? Ben u eraan?
There's a friendly looking shadow.
Okay, I'll show you fucking click, kunnen.
Out of sight, out of mind.
Oeh.
Got it. Yeah?
Ah, zo'n klaart zo dat bij. Rang. Dwi'n mynd cael siwpio.
Let's make this quick.
Wow! Cyrraedd fi. Fi sy'n bwysig. Fi ta?
If everyone else minds their business,
Here we go again.
So dwi'n mynd gorau symud bod tro. Eitha symud iddo fi weithiau.
Have to keep going.
Whoa, man. Go. Oes na hynna?
Covered.
No.
Let's end this.
Ah, some health wel. Shoot.
On the move.
Temporary we.
I don't need any attention.
Time for some bloody work.
Wyth y mwyn. O, di marw! O, well aros y llonydd, oce. Bydd Andy i gwybod. Tots.
Have to keep going.
Ydw i'n gallu iwsio... Yes! What? Dwi'n gallu... Nath neb farw... Wel, nath... Lazarel farw do.
Speak.
Speak fi, nes i sef bywyd chdi met? Iawn, y fema, dwi all after jyst iwsio short rest yn dwi. Helo, dyd sig, beth ti'n iawn? Yma.
It seems like Will and Karlak will play nice from now on. Saves us having to pick sides.
Don't be bitchy. Fi Carlach literally yn fanna. Mae pob y bom dan waste of space ma.
Better not be cursed.
Sef! Fucking natural hwn. Dwi'n pop yma, ie. Ydw i'n gallu cael lot o heina? Mae'n pobl fama.
Should mind my step.
Fuck ti'n mynd?
You sniffing where you ain't ought to be, friend?
Ie.
Might have to take that nose.
As the symbol glows, power courses through you. Authority.
What? Choose! Wat doe je dat? Dwi'n gwybod os yma'n gweithio. Ydych chi'n cael vote am thing, wan? 100%. Faint i hir mae hwnna'n aros? Dwi'n cael lwtio. Ah. Okay. Deception. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my god! Oh, roll again. Come on. No!
Well now, gonna have to take that lying tongue from you.
No, mister. You been here? Oh.
Softer than a whisper.
Can't be Mikhail.
Blood follows me everywhere.
Whoa! You got a proper daar. Ga je de rat binnen? Ah, shit.
Softer than a whisper.
Softer than a whisper. Fucking die, goblin! Oh shit, man. Oh shit, shit, shit, shit. No, go away, go away. Oh.
Better be cautious.
You
Fucking
sit
hell!
where you ain't
Malin
ought
of
to be,
goblins! Malin goblins!
friend. Might have to take
All's
that
fair
nose.
game in this land.
As the symbol glows, power courses
Pam...
through
Whoa,
you.
whoa.
Authority.
Pam maen nhw'n siarad efo lleill? Sopiwch dewis deception? Dwi neud persuasion. Have you got -1 from charisma? Gwta hwnna. Sbia. Oh, dwi di reid y thing dice off hefyd, by the way. Dwi di reid y thing dice off. Dwi'n gwybod pam. Fath o'n ddeitha fi wneud.
Yes! Yes, true soul!
A shiver runs across your mind. You feel sated.
Don't let me keep you, boss. Lads were gathered by the windmill.
Chai trasio fi. There fe, yna.
What's hiding here?
Ie, dwi di reid y karmic dice off.
Better find somewhere to camp soon.
Di'n byd i wneud o'r ffaith. Nes i googlo fo, a nes i ddarllen Reddit post yn dweud fi wneud. Di'n byd i wneud efo hynna. Wow!
Is that blood? No, never mind.
Oedd hi ddim yn sefyll fatha lemon, oce? Oedd hi'n sefeio. Oh my god. Oedd hi'n sefeio townfolk. Gwrdd i byd yna. Dwi'n gorfod yna i wneud efo fama. Efo hwn.
I'll give it a shot.
On me, gang!
Can't keep me out.
Safio fo. Success! Dwi angen neud beth efo hwn. Sydd yma. Gawl.
Open up.
Open up. Oh my god, Emrys! Sut swn i'n... There's ag. Don't lie.
Weapon blueprints. They call for Sousa bark. If only I knew where to find some.
Ys y pwynt i fod i fe, man. Ydw i wastad amser i fe, man. Shot. Got me. Dwi'n i pic ein I gyd I fyny ysmal I dwi'n gwybod beth I nhw.
Look at that.
O, dwi'n mynd yn fyny fyna man. So, dwi'n hwnna rhy ychel I fi wan. Too high. Bastard. O, fama. Dwi'm yn gwybod beth dwi'n neud o fama. Dwi wedi gan y cyfad yna. Oh, okay. So...
What's cooking?
What's cooking? Jump through high, me. Diolch am dy un o fel eisiau dod I fewn efo hwn. Ah, fucking... Yes. Dwi jyst wedi cymryd y fucking thing I gyd. Dwi jyst wedi cymryd y chest cover.
What is it?
What is it? Milady, I have brought thee thy chest. And this... Okay, tafod hwnna llaf, I gadw hwnna. So, allai iwsio... Allai iwsio throw command fi I tafod hwnna rhywun. Dwi'n siŵr fydd yn massive... Dwi'n licio carach. No nonsense thing amdani. Okay.
Never a dull moment. Bet I can crack that open.
Bet I can crack that open, I can. Easy! Iawn, hwn di thing arall dwi'n mynd all, iawn. Neith o specifically deud os dwi'n methu iwsio weapon yn di. Neith o deud you're not proficient yn di. So mae'n iawn i fi cael hwnna yn di.
Infernal metal. That's what my engine's made of. Hang on to that.
Hang on to that, that's fucking metal, that is.
Breathe quiet. Move with care. Breathe deep and move.
Look at this.
Fully now.
Cursed to put my hands on everything.
Apart from an overgrowth of moss, the well looks unremarkable.
Ooh. Ooh. Seriously, os da chi'n dewis fucking leave, yeah? Please put coin against my hand. Yes. Mae soundboard fi wedi mynd. Yeah.
Dry stones line the wall. At the bottom, something gleams in the dappled light.
Why don't I? Climb down. What?
Oh, these webs are everywhere.
Fuck that. Fuck that. Not happening. A level 2. A level 2 it. Un o fanna. A level 2. Na. Wedyn. Dwi'n lone wolf, okay? Dwi yn lion and lone wolf mix. Dwi yn strong and independent, ond hefyd leader of the pack. Nope. Where? Pack of one. Dwi isio rhywun. Finish stuff. Okay, gang. Dwi angen safio cyn mynd i fe yma. Na, do. Let's fucking go. Go. Ja, dwi yn hynna. Dwi'n ben to sydd aros fi. Sydd...
Very well. What's on your mind?
Na, cyn ydw. Prove yourself worthy. Whoa, what? What? That's bad. Ain't gonna lie, that's bad.
Need to find a way forward.
Breathe quiet. Move with care.
Sefyll down fan, ie. Oh, bastard ein. Dwi'n.
This is gonna feel good.
Dwi'n gwybod pa un i gael. Sy'n dal yn fyw?
Let's finish this.
The worms will feast on your shoulders when I'm done with ya.
What? Shit, what's yma? Pam di Gris? Stopio blysio nhw be bynnag mae hynna'n golygu.
Don't want to draw any attention. Let's get in and out.
Seriously.
Can't risk being in open view.
Let's go.
Got to focus.
Jump to Oh my god. Eh? Be mae blessed yn neud?
This calls for careful footwork. Just out of view.
Salak, it's go time.
Talk to me. Take your
Oh, bastard! Health to it.
Stop! I give up.
What?
For mercy, please. I know things. If you let me live, I'll make it worth your while. I promise.
What?
No, why?
Whoa. Doe ik niet.
Hey, good looking. Come on.
Oh, doe ik niet. En die?
Honk honk.
Seriously? Emrys guarantee ar y streams yma. I don't deal and negotiate with Goblin. Os mae Goblin ar sgrin, mae poch fi trolls yn fatha internet troll. Just so you know. Pwy sy'n gwydio help yma?
Open up. Moving it.
Still breathing, despite everything. What's in here?
Ooh. Be die lights in charge. Oh, meet them armor eto. Ooh. Bit of cheese. Give me a bit of cheese. Give me a baguette. Shattered wine.
Let's see.
Iawn. So mae dweud i fi stopio. O, drws am yna. Dwi'n licio
Wish to live in
toglo fel hyn, bod dwi yn neud stwff fel hyn. Cos mae'n fucking annoying o pob. Dwi'n stopio fo? Lle mae o? O, brake lever, dwi'n gweld o, oce, gweld o, gweld o. Dwi'n gweld o, dwi'n gweld o. Okay. Squad, assemble. Oh my god! It's one of those little folks.
Cut me loose! Free me and find out!
I am popular musician Moby.
Bag of Camara. Those pustulant thugs. Well, get on with it. Whatever you are.
Get on with
You
what?
saved me, now you'll extort me. That's how this works, yes? My own fault, really. I should have dropped my pack and outrun those bastards.
Those bastards!
Alas. Take my pack, if you can find it. The only reason those goblins caught me was its weight. I'll travel lightly from now on. Ignorance is alive and well, it seems. Deep gnomes aren't restricted to the Underdark, you know.
Obviously.
I've lived in...
Obviously I knew that.
I'm in search of a friend. I fear he's in trouble. See this? I gave it to him years ago before I left home. I found it around the neck of a thug in the lower city.
What?
It was speckled with blood. My friend, nowhere to be found. But I still have hope. I have reason to believe he's in the Underdark. Hopefully, I'll pick up his trail from there.
Get there.
I always help my friends. On that note, I bid thee farewell. If we should meet again, well, we will have met again.
Lle mae backpack o? Lle mae... I thought only got backpack fo. Lle mae backpack fo? You must be obvious.
Maybe I need more pockets.
Maybe I need to shit. Dwi'n mynd o... O, mae heb backpack fa, ie.
Shadowheart's attention is fixed on a damaged old statue.
So I stand in front of it. What the hell just happened? Option no longer valid. What? Ydy backpack y boi yma werth I gael? Apparently dwi'n mynd i bythu allan o rhywbeth.
Whatever comes, I'm ready. Take two.
Let's move.
O, siarad. Ydy fi chwilio am y backpack yma werth y hassle?
Moving in. Here we go.
O, iawn, oce. On mi pop. Wel, mae fan edrych yn beryg. Iawn. Dwi'n iawn I feddwl dwi'n gallu mynd nôl I fama rhyw drod dwi isio ynddo. So... Fuck! Come on, squad. Ydyn syniad da I fi mynd nôl I camp gwerthu shit fi. Iawn.
Let's have a look.
It's not. I think it is. Yeah! Diolch yn fawr iawn. Hey, helo. Ia, diolch yn fawr iawn gael heibio. Dwi'n gwybod y ffordd dwi wedi chwarae yn edrych at dwi'n professional, ond just gaming prowess fi di hynna. Hwn ydy'r tro gyntaf fi'n ei chwarae fo. Go, go, go, go. Oh, no.
Calm yourself. They're survivors, not soldiers.
Let's fucking... medium armor. Who's a medium armor?
I could go for a good meal.
I could go for a good meal. 13. Where's... That's where's... That's where's...
No time to rest.
Fucking mae boi yma yn mynd i'r... Fucking siarad. Dwi wedi chwarae 360 hours yn obsessed o... Gosh. Ia, sgrif i ddim profiad D&D at all. Bydd o'n very heavy battle axe. Faint o ddifri rhai fi cymryd y thing gorau magic i gael. Dyna, dwi actually gorau poeni am hynna. My shit. Oh shit, beth yma? Great axe. Very heavy great axe. Oh, yeah, okay. Would you like this bucket? Yeah. Aaron.
Need anything else?
Buy my shit.
Of course.
Oh my
Diolch yn fawr iawn. Oh my god, yn sydd ych fawr. Lle mae'r net adolyg? Net adolyg? Dwi'n gwybod fod y coedan yn gam. Gwybod fod o. Dwi'n ofyn twtio y goedan. Dwi'n ofyn twtio do. So. Mae gen i fi crappy necklace. Iawn. Oce. Be dwi angen? Selwes. Be dwi angen prynu fan fan? Be di go-to stuff? O, dwi'n Be... Dwi all... Dwi... Dwi all fanna? Fanna? Woo! Fanna, ta fanna. Top, yeah. Spell thief. No, be di go-to stuff, man. So, damn. Pwy am hwnna? Sut ydw i yn beefio fyny lady friend fi yma? Discount minus 14%. What the hell? Ydy died. Ydy died yn helpu fi. Ie. Gynnu fi more pressing priorities, dwi'n meddwl. Shit, dwi'n meddwl. Shit, nice. Hwna. O, medium dwi'n hwnna. Medium. Dwi'n gyda medium. Light. Ydy hwnna werth o? O, oce. Oes, nes i weld rwy'n arall gyda.
Sylvanus be with you.
Sylvanus be with you, my friend. Sylvanus be with you. O, mae'r camera lot gwell yn top fan yndi. O'n i'n cyfro bod dim gyda don. Sylvanus be with you.
On my way.
Seller of shit, hynna.
I have something to ask.
Demon, are you seller of stuff?
Thought I sensed an infernal around here. But you aren't from Elturel. What's your story?
None of your fucking business.
Time
Oh,
in the house. Enlisted against my will by the archdevil Zariel. Same as
Middle
you, I
right,
suppose,
di
were
gorau.
from Elturel.
O, hi ydi'r gorau iawn, oce.
Delighted when your city was swallowed up.
Oh.
I thought they had you for keeps. Glad you got out.
I got lucky. It looks like you did too. And you brought some infernal machinery with you.
A little gift from Zariel. Keeps me burning hot.
Very hot by the smell of it. Might be burning out a piston ring or leaking oil. Mind if I take a listen?
Be my guest. But don't get too close or your eyes will melt shut.
O, ydy hi jyst yn poeth.
Phew! You really are burning up. Whoever put that engine together tried to house metallogized demono valves inside a Ragnak's alloy casement. Very risky. I might be able to help. I'd need infernal iron. And a prayer that my hammer will survive.
O,
the work.
dwi'n nifig.
That thing isn't meant to operate outside of Ernest. I'm not sure how much longer it'll keep running the way it's going.
Geis i'r gynnu fi rai yna.
Will you be able to turn down the temperature a little? Worried I'm gonna go in for a handshake and singe someone's arm off one of these days.
I'd worry about surviving the night first. But help one, help both. If we can cool you off, it'll stabilize your engine and allow you to touch whomever you please.
Personally, I'd like to know what infernal iron is worth. Have you seen your wares?
Meanwhile, I've still got plenty of weapons and armor in stock if you're looking to load up.
Okay, mae gyd...
Forged from the
Iawn, nes i reid hwnna yn...
hells take me. What I wouldn't do for
yma. Gee.
Anything of use?
O, lle mae'r thing? Selling the shit. I'm gonna sell my shit. Gonna sell some shit tonight. Infernal metal! Yeah. Infernal metal!
How fares the search?
Please let this work.
The weight of it. And that blaze of chaos. Can't imagine this where my heart should be. Must be quite the experience. Give me just a moment.
But the issue over here, met just rhedeg yn boeth.
And I think...
Ti'n hit it down the metal.
There. You'll have to install it, I'm afraid. I don't think there are thick enough gloves in all the realms to protect from that kind of heat.
That feels... good. I'm still burning hot as hell's hole, but I feel less... changeable. Cheers, mate.
Cheers, mate.
And as for the heat, I haven't got any solutions now, but I'm not giving up. Could be if the combustion chamber had its own insulation, or if we had some kind of enchanted coolant. Find me again in Baldur's Gate. If I'm worth my salt, I'll have figured something out by then. Take care, Karlak. And hopefully the next time I see you, I'll have something promising to report. Pocket any infernal iron you find along the way,
I'll be the judge of that.
Druids. Who uses one? Looking for steel? I have, well, something close.
Rid of the shit. Oh, let's go. Shit. No books. Hey, o, ydych chi o'n hwnna? Okay, be dwi angen prynu fo? Short bow. Not proficient, okay. Hunting bow. Pa bow dwi angen? Dwi'n iawn, dych o? Dwi'n D&D noob, so... So ddim... So ddim, high level stuff yma. Well, yeah, beasts, a hunter's mark, dwi'n cofyn iawn. Hwna. Have advantage. No. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Ydw i angen light armor. Ydw i angen light armor. Great sword. That's about. Oh, 14. Beth am yn ddrud, wan. Light armor bendant yn helpu. Ideal, that's what I like. Whoa! Oh, that. What? What's on simple and king cloak? Okay. Tea and right on the market.
I'm ready. Whatever it takes.
Ydy hon yn gallu neud spears?
No time to dally.
Wyt ti yn proficient? Ydy? Sy'n yna. Iawn. Dwi'n yn gwybod os yn y Goblin Camp. Okay. Shield +2. Pa armor ti'n gwisgo? Medium armor. Medium armor. 15. 14. 13. Dwi'n cymeryd fod hein yn iawn, di. Saving throw. Be mae'n golygu? Dyna'n da? Drwg? Not proficient with medium armor. What? Mae'n gwisgo medium armor fydda? Dwi'n well off yn rhaid sword ydy hi. A dwi'n neud hyn yn wrong. Dwi'n troi iawn. Oh, hello. Yes! Misha. Okay.
I miss my...
Oh, okay. Dwi'n rhoi sword I here. Heavy attacks. Saving throw di check ti pan mae enemy rhoi effect yna chdi. Beth a stats chdi yw'r attack. Oh, okay. So di'r shield yna. Dwi werth yn cael y shield na lle. I'll keep the coin purse, thank you very much. Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Looking for steel? I have...
Looking for steel?
Something close.
Yeah, so dwi'n cymryd hwn yn ffain.
Wits and blades, always sharp.
How did we miss the
There's no time to waste.
Oh. Hallå? Det var. Not sufficient heavy ammo. Vi om stikker ved henne, mann. Over the back, what? Wish a shit to man, I guess. Okay. We heading out.
Of sorts. Used to be a bread and butter tinsmith before El Terrell fell into Avernus. These days my talents are more eclectic. Learned a lot in my time in the Hells. Hope to forget most of it. But between you and me, there's nothing in all the realms like the utter power of infernal machinery. Alas, my offerings are far more humble these days.
Okay.
Hells take me.
Hells take me.
For better tools.
Damon's upgrade didn't cool me down, but it did juice me.
Juice me up!
I don't think I've ever felt more powerful. Sooner rather than later would be good. I feel like I'm burning serious fuel. Oh, fuck yes. I'm ready to burn all night. Speaking of, I could eat a giant badger. Is it almost time for dinner?
Hello, Auntie Ethel. Be da ni cael neud heno?
If it isn't the talk of the camp. It's a rare day when I see one of you lot about. Thank goodness you came along when you... Oh! There isn't a bit of colour in those cheeks, Petal. Are you hurt? Cold? Feverish? Auntie Ethel will sort you out. I've lotions and potions galore.
Let's first over you go.
Aha! You take a sup at that and you'll feel right as rain, sweetie. Oh, stop with the sweet talk. Here, take the end of the bat, just in case. I'm sorry to go on about it, but are you all right? You're looking awful peaky.
Is it all the blood on my face?
Oh, stop! Even on a good day, half the camp acts like a bunch of screaming brats. I'm tempted to smack them all on the backside and tell them to kiss and make up.
Yeah, you tell them.
Not that they'd listen to little old me. Anyway, do you need anything? I have a few odds and ends for sale.
What time? Show me your wares.
Hey, bother.
Dan ni'n generally licio hi then. I put the potion of healing. Be mai hwnna. So.
Take care now, sweetie.
No. Ydw i well off mynd I camp wan? A cysgu, long rest.
Hell's fire. She's coming.
Och, die hon. Oh.
Well, you've been naughty. And you know what happens when you're naughty.
Gods damn it. Anyone but her.
Who the hell are you?
Well, you absolute stinker. You kept me a secret.
Oh, ti'n gael need long rest i bygysio stori. O, iawn, oce.
Time to let the Hellcat out of the bag. Call me Mizora. I'm Will's patron, the fount of his power. My pet's been unruly, and his leash needs a yank.
Fuck, dwi'n blaen yma. O'n i'n meddwl o'n licio devils.
Will. But Karlak's still breathing.
I've taken more pleasant shits than you, Mizora. And at least those can be buried after.
That's no kind of talk for a lady. By the way, Karlak, Zariel sends her regards.
You told me! Devils only! She's a tiefling, not a monster!
How precious. The little pupster's found his bark.
Clause G, Section 9. Target shall be limited to the infernal, the demonic, the heartless, and the soulless.
Karlak meets the criteria by virtue of having no heart.
If we kill Carlach now, that gets rid of her. Na, dwi'n Carlach stan. Na neud fod. Dwi'n hwn.
Don't you worry. That ship has long sailed the Styx. But a defiant pup must still pay his price. To wit.
Twit!
Will burns in the fires of Avernus. The lightning storms of Dis strike his flesh. His soul passes through each layer of the hells, gaining their essence and their torment.
What the fuck?
That's better.
What the hells have you done?
A promise broken, a price paid. You know the terms.
Get used to the new form, pet.
There's no going back. Some magic even I can't undo.
Llalladu.
Now, let's see how the frontiers fare without their precious blade.
Karlak, keep an eye on him, would you? I'll be keeping mine on you.
Will,
don't forget, our pact still stands. Ta-ta.
Ta-ta.
I'll be honest, soldier. I'm reeling. Will hardly knows me, but he chose my life over his. Been a long time since someone stuck their neck out for me like that. You can say that again. When he was chasing me through Avernus, I thought he was just another sad merc. How wrong I was.
Yeah. Gael, ti isio magic food? Amser fi magically bwyta chdi.
What's on your mind? Apart from finding me an artifact. That is most gratifying to hear. May I?
Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Ça va?
Thank you.
Magic. What the fuck?
That hit the spot. I can feel it work.
That's a wizard junkie there.
Like a lullaby that sings to sleep the demon inside. A metaphorical demon, I haste to point out, but no less dangerous. And no less bound to wake up again to continue its ravages. Such is the nature of all monsters.
Junkie there. Ooh.
Oh, it's not so bad once you get used to it. And, on the plus side, my tower in Waterdeep has never been so free of clutter. Sincerely, though, I understand I ask a lot from you with few answers in return. But in time, all will be told.
It's all to do with gameplay mechanics.
My lady, I bow to your boundless kindness.
Junkie there. Gale the junkie. No spoiler.
Gods damn her straight back to the hells. Just look at me. I did what was right, and Mazora made me pay for it. I'd be hunting devils and demons, she said. Traitors and hypocrites, heartless evils of all sorts, but not Zariel's victims. Not innocent tieflings.
You're not worth the soil you stand on. What? Whoa, Mikey. Yeah.
All these years. You'd think it's a lesson I'd have well learned. It's Mazora who grants me the power to conjure armor and cast eldritch blasts. Before I was infected, I could even call hell beasts and summon festering clouds. But I promise you, every thrust of my blade and every flame I sparked was for the good of the coast. I can't utter the terms or circumstances of the pact.
Pam sneb gallu deud fuck all of it. Oedd y gyd fatha, ei, na thing mai fe, ond dwi'n ma'n cael deitha chdi. Just fucking deitha fi, ia. Dwi literally wedi fucking supply junkie. Dwi wedi trwsio calon rwy'n.
All I can give you on that.
Ti'n fel, si safio llall o fucking cage. Mae'n gyd yn teimlo eitha fucking shit. Where's the respect? Ella dwi wedi bod rhy neis efo pobl yma. Hon yn llawer gwell, chwaith. Hon, efo bach o fucking attitude i fi.
Simple enough.
No fucking respect there. Auto-select. Ah, my helmet. Ah, dwi'n gwisgo helmet, stupid. Let's go. Mynd nôl i fama. Maen nhw'n mynd yn eisiach. Yndi, maen nhw'n mynd yn eisiach ar ôl fi wneud mwy o stwff iddyn nhw. O, mae boi yma'n pwyd... Mae'r hogan yma, Hobo. Hobo'n uffar y person. Bydd i lit yn ei rhywbeth ti'n gofyn i'n neud. Mae'n gymaint o pushover. Hynna, maen nhw gyd yn dweud dwi'n cysgu. Be maen nhw'n dweud? Go on, okay. Where's concentrate here? Come on. Goblin camp.
Haven't seen that game in years.
Faint o bad idea di fe yma? gonna hide. Oh, okay. Oh. Diolch yn fawr. Oh, shit.
Couldn't guard his nose from his fingers.
Oi! Thicko! This here's off limits.
Is dim ond fi?
Get to the main gate or I'll plug
Ei, diolch yn fawr. Diolch yn fawr i watchad proper player chwarae wedyn. Dwi'n gwybod am streamio wedyn, dwi'n siarad watcha chdi. Gawn gorffan mewn 10 munud. Ar ôl y ffeit yma, dwi am call it a day, dwi'n meddwl.
If everyone else minds their business, I'll be fine. This calls for careful footwork. Hope your soul is in good hands. Out of sight, out of mind.
Fleas from the bloody walls.
More likely you gave them fleas, you filth.
Lying on my feet.
Breathe deep and move.
Run away! Ah, ti'n mynd nôl pobl oed. Allim. What? What? Yna fyny da.
These boots have seen everything.
Boost and help. Start.
Heating up.
You idiot, you! The phone function. Oh, just was up there. Can't stop a missia. Swing.
My turn.
Woo! Yeah? I am. İşte huna hep fukuyor ve ne?
Open up.
Ooh.
Moving ahead. A war drum. One of those can summon fighters far and wide.
Yo, dwi'n y Goblin Camp. Dwi yn mynd i adael i yn fanna. Dwi angen malu'r hwn. Just look on.
No traps, please.
Iawn, sef. Dwi tu allan y Goblin Camp. Diolch i pobl yn gwylio. Dwi'm yn gwybod faint o interesting ydy pobl yn gwachad rwy'n sydd ddim yn gwybod be'n neud yn hwn. Successful fight o fanna. Successful fight. Successful fight. Dwi'n cael y hang yna fo. Lle dwi just isio splitio pobl fyny. Fucking stealth. Dwi'n joio fo. Dwi'n joio'r malu cachu hefyd yn efo. Ella fydd yn sacrilege. Dwi'n cael y teimlad fatha Mass Effect 2 vibes. Dwi'n efo party fi. Cael bach o shenanigans. Nhw'n dysgu fi neud fucking bob dim i nhw. Ond... Chyfawr iawn. Ia, na, nos Wener dwi'n meddwl. Gyda fi exam piano ar dydd Llun. So, fydd y weekend fi yn fi wneud exam piano fi. Grade 1. Grade 1 on the piano. Ond, isio mynd dros hwnna. Gwybod yn scales a felly da. Isio sythu coeda na. Ag, number 1. Fatha, hynna pan mae pobl yn cwffio amdan Christmas number 1, de. Formula 1. Be arall sy'n 1 ag yn dda? Formula 1. Christmas number 1. Neu sens bod ti'n mynd o'n o. Iawn, oedd y Chatterina yma. Dwi'n eisiau Chatterina ar hyn o bryd. Gwbos dwi'n licio fan ddim. Dwi'n seidio eto. Dwi eisiau... Thing o hynny. Hit me baby one more time. Ia. A... Y band A1 A1 Be arall 1 Dwi'n eich Google 1 Faint o pobl heddiw sydd wedi Google number 1 Cardinal number So dych chi'n fawr iawn. Dwi yn mynd go iawn dan. Do, o'n i'n gwybod sy'n enjoyo streamio hwn. O'n i'n enjoyo chwarae fo. So, ia, na swyn. Fyddai'n chwarae rhwng streams, dwi'n meddwl. Fyddai'n chwarae rhwng streams. Dwi eisiau gwneud streams Fortnite hefyd. Dwi'n dweud ti angen joinio squad ni. Ond, ia, os oes nesaf... Nos Wener, fyddai'n streamio a illa nos Sadwrn Sul. So wela i chi pryd hynny. Ideal. Quads, chdi fi, Morgan, Owain, let's go. Let's get some damage then. Ond na, dwi'n joio hwn. Plan fi efo hwn ydy neud playthrough a wedyn neud playthrough multiplayer. That's the plan. I think that's the plan. Os allai, dwi eisiau gwneud un playthrough yn hyn, a dyn dwi eisiau gwneud... Ia. Ia, fyddai'n mynd Fortnite weekend yma, fyddai yn chwarae piano. So, ia, dych chi'n iawn, dwi actually mynd o'n. Dwi efo Stream Deck yma, a dwi wedi setio bwtwm, wedi pwysio gorffan de, mae'n mynd i switcho fi outro, chwarae 10 seconds o music, a cytio hwn off. Ta-ra! Ydy hwn yn weithio? Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3. Do, sbio. Ideal, dych chi'n fawr iawn pob.